Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the back and front cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A33 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, take out the back cover from the body. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes off. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Next, create an opening using a suction cup and then insert a plastic upright tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, take out the back cover and then take out the logic board cover with the pad by undoing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working front camera from the board. The camera location is the top center. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working macro and depth cameras from the logic board. Next, pull out the main and wide camera from the board. For this, logic board must be taken out of the body. First, eject the SIM tray. And then disconnect two antenna heads and the main flex plug from the logic board. Next, undo the screw securing the board. Next, gently pull out the board using a tweezer. Next, flip the board and pull out the not working main and ultra wide cameras from the board. Next, place and secure the new main and wide cameras on the board. Next, gently place the board on the body and then secure the board by adding the screw. Next, insert the SIM tray and secure both the antenna heads and the main flex plug to the logic board. Next, place and secure new macro and depth cameras to the board. Next, place and secure the new front camera to the logic board. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the logic board cover by adding 8 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or any double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the rear car with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.